Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple it is to connect Craftify AI directly to your WordPress account so you can take all of your blogs and automatically post them directly to your website. So if your website is with WordPress, this is going to be a great thing for you to utilize. We're going to start off in Craftify AI. You're going to come up here to the Crafter section here. Scroll down to settings, and we're going to come down to business settings where we find integrations. You've probably been here a couple of times to also set up other integrations. If you'll scroll down, you'll find WordPress. We're going to choose to connect here, and Craftify AI is going to create an API key for us. We're just going to go ahead and click copy. Now, you want to log in to your WordPress account. I've logged into this one here. And first we need to add the plugin for Craftify AI. So I'm going to come down here to plugins and click add plugin. From here, we're going to search for our plugin here. We can just put in Craftify. We'll search for that as a keyword and we'll see here that we have Craftify AI here. All right, what you're going to do is just click activate. It's as simple as this. We're going to wait for this to load. All right, we've activated this as a plugin. Now we're going to come down here to our settings. When you come to settings, you're going to see here in our settings, you're going to find an area that says Craftify AI. That wasn't there before. So go ahead and click that here. And then we'll scroll down here and you'll need to make some of these connection settings. It's really, really simple. So first of all, we're going to paste in that API key that we copied earlier in Craftify AI. You'll want to go ahead and check your site name, make sure everything's good, and your default post status. Now, you can leave this as draft, meaning that your blogs, when they're created and they're posted to your website, you'll come over here and you'll find them in your drafts, and then you can publish them from there. Or you can put in pending review, or you can hit publish. I personally recommend that it's published so that when you're making all of your reviews, you're doing that already in Craftify AI. And then when you hit publish, it automatically goes to your website, or you can schedule that to publish. All right, you want to make sure your author is correct. You can add that as whatever you'd like. And then connection status is going to be not connected. However, we just click and save our settings. Again, down here, you can see how this works. Oops, I got refreshed. How this works. Basically, I just walked you through everything that you need to do. Now we can see once we saved, we have it connected. Awesome. So let's come back into Craftify AI. Now what we can do is just go ahead and post a blog and see how this works. So you can come here and I'm going to choose a blog post that we've created before. I'm going to just click continue here. Choose publish blog at the bottom right hand corner. And here you'll automatically see that we can publish directly to WordPress. Okay. From here, you can also choose to publish now, or you can schedule it for later. And once you click schedule WordPress post, it will schedule to send that at the time that it's been scheduled for. Otherwise, if you would like to publish it now, click publish to WordPress and you'll see that come up on your WordPress account. All right, so I hope this has been helpful. I also would like to thank you for following this tutorial. We're coming with many more tutorials. If there's something that you need to know about Craftify AI, drop it in the comments and let us know so we can get you what you need. So have a good one.